Hello, everyone, and welcome back. I'm James Walker, and today we're taking you inside Intellibooks Studio, our enterprise AI platform for designing, deploying, orchestrating, and governing intelligent agents across business-critical operations.
Hi, everyone. I'm David Collins, Principal AI Engineer at Intellibooks Studio. In simple terms, our platform connects AI agents to enterprise systems, databases, documents, application interfaces, and model context protocol tools so organizations can automate complex work with governance, security, and full auditability.
And today, we're focusing on one of the most compelling use cases, the Fraud Investigation Orchestrator. So, David, what problem are we really solving here?
Insurance carriers handle huge claim volumes every day. And while most claims are legitimate, a small slice can involve organized fraud that creates major losses. Industry groups and regulators keep emphasizing that insurers need stronger anti-fraud detection, reporting, and investigation workflows, especially as fraud patterns become more sophisticated. That's where orchestration matters.
Right. And the old process is kind of messy, right? Adjusters, fraud analysts, compliance teams, legal, special investigation units, everyone is working across disconnected systems, which slows decisions and can delay honest customer payments.
Exactly. Our Fraud Investigation Orchestrator brings that together. Built on Intellibooks Studio, it coordinates 11 specialized AI agents and enterprise tools to investigate suspicious claims from first notice of loss all the way through compliance reporting and fraud escalation.
Let's make this concrete. In today's scenario, a warehouse in Houston reports a major overnight fire and files a claim for $2.1 million. The question is simple. Well, simple to say, not simple to solve. Is the claim genuine or fraudulent?
Yes, that's the heart of it. The system has to validate coverage, verify the business identity, review evidence, check regulatory requirements in Texas, coordinate with the special investigation unit if needed, and produce a defensible decision with as little manual effort as possible.
So, the moment the claim lands in the platform, what happens first?
The orchestrator activates immediately. The first notice of loss specialist agent captures the incoming claim details and validates policy information, while connected enterprise systems pull customer records, historical claims, jurisdiction rules, coverage data, and supporting documents in parallel. Then governance policies assess the exposure. Because this is a high-value claim, the governance engine automatically escalates review and enforces stricter controls before any payment can move forward. At the same time, other agents fan out. One validates coverage, one performs know your customer checks on ownership and corporate identity, one analyzes documents, one searches fraud intelligence sources, and one evaluates Texas-specific compliance requirements.
And Texas is a big part of this story because suspected insurance fraud has reporting obligations there, and insurers are expected to investigate and document claims carefully under state rules.
That's right. Texas guidance makes it clear that suspected fraud should be reported promptly, and state rules also stress standards for claim investigation and settlement. So our platform is not just trying to spot risk, it's trying to support compliant action and a clean audit trail.
Okay, now we get to the dramatic part. The deep fraud analysis agent pulls everything together. What does it find?
Within seconds, it flags several high-risk indicators, multiple prior fire-related claims, ownership inconsistencies across public records, reused commercial addresses tied to prior investigations, and behavioral similarities to known organized fraud patterns. The platform then calculates a fraud risk score of 0.89, which is above the investigation threshold.
Wow. So once that threshold is crossed, the platform doesn't just raise a red flag and stop there.
No, and that's the key difference. It performs agent-to-agent delegation. Control shifts to the compliance orchestrator, which suspends claim processing, prepares the necessary reporting package, alerts the special investigation unit, assembles an evidence file for possible law enforcement referral, and logs every decision for traceability. Customer communication is also generated automatically in a compliant way that protects the investigation.
That's powerful. What used to take multiple departments and days can now happen in minutes, with the claim paused securely, investigators receiving a complete package, and compliance requirements already addressed.
Yes, and maybe the biggest long-term advantage is continuous learning. Every case helps improve detection logic, risk models, and workflow precision. And as fraud threats evolve, whether that's identity-linked schemes or even AI-generated evidence, organizations need systems that learn fast without losing governance.
So this is really bigger than automation. It's intelligent orchestration with accountability.
Exactly. From fraud scoring and coverage validation to compliance management, SIU integration, and audit-ready documentation, each specialist agent contributes to one governed enterprise decision.
David, this has been great. Thanks for taking us inside the Fraud Investigation Orchestrator and showing how Intellibooks Studio can transform high-stakes insurance investigations.
Thanks, James. Really enjoyed it.
And thanks to everyone listening. We'll see you next time as we explore more enterprise AI solutions shaping the future of intelligent automation.